talking to older adults about cannabis. This can be an odd conversation for some people, depending on, especially if you're talking to your parents or a friend, broaching this subject can be awkward for some people, but do not be afraid to ask about your parents' history of use. There's a pretty kind of clear generation divide, but a lot of the folks that are older adults now are former hippies, right? So you could have a conversation that these people in this graphic I made, reliving your mom's old hippie days on that way, or you could find out, as John put it the other day, they voted for Nixon. So maybe they have no experience. And either way, it's a great starting place to kind of have an open discussion. It can be helpful to disclose your own experience with cannabis. And just start the conversation that way. Definitely emphasize what I emphasized before. You do not have to smoke, and you do not even have to get high to derive benefits from cannabis. It can be really helpful to share, the growing body of scientific research, or even data showing increased use in this age group for successfully treating their symptoms safely. And I also think, number one, focus on that potential for reducing or replacing other medications. That's what we're trying to do here. Making the overall safety profile of their medication regimen safer with cannabis, and often improving efficacy. And highly suggested, find someone like me. Enlist the help of a cannabis clinician, someone that can kind of back up, give a little credibility to the scientific research that we've done. Often I'm enlisted to help families talk to other providers about incorporating cannabis, and that's a big thing that we cannabis clinicians do. So just know that there are professionals out there that do this and are resources for your family.